Hello, everyone. Welcome to Interdisciplinary Studies 499. My name is Brother Vorderstrass, and I have the privilege of being your instructor over this semester. I'm really excited about that, and I just wanted to reach out to you to introduce myself to you so that you know that I'm an approachable person that really cares deeply about your success in this class. I have taken and taught quite a few online courses. I think there's a few things that I like about online. First of all, just that you're able to learn from anywhere that has an internet connection. The flexibility of being able to work your coursework around your schedule, maybe if you have a job. As well, I just like that some students that maybe are kind of shy and face-to-face kind of find their voice in online. So that's kind of another nice aspect of it, is that it seems like there's a little bit more participation. I got my master's degree completely online, which I wouldn't have been able to do if it wasn't for the online modality. I lived in a rural area and I worked full time. I had my family that I needed to support. So I'm a huge advocate for online learning. This course is a great one to teach because first of all, I love project-based learning. I love project management, and I get to teach you all about that. And I also get to learn from you about all of your different disciplines, which I think that I'll find very fascinating. A little bit more about me. My wife and I are actually both graduates from BYU, Idaho. So we've lived in Rexburg prior to living in Rexburg now, but we actually just spent 6 years out in Indiana. I worked there for a community college. Actually building online courses, which is what I do here at BYU Idaho. Now, I didn't build this course, but I have built others here at BYU Idaho. I served a mission in Chile Concepcion. This is me and my companion, Elder Jara. He was my second companion, so I was rather new to the mission when this photo was taken. This is a picture of my family, my wife. This was taken last fall here in Idaho up by Mesa Falls. Our oldest son, Jay, he is 11 years old, and our youngest son, Miles, is 2. And then we've got Eli, who's 9, Siler, who's 7, and Violet, who just turned 5. So that's my family. I'm always amazed at how different my children, they're all very different from each other. They're a lot of fun. This is me and Miles during the eclipse that we had out here in Idaho. My wife caught this picture, really an amazing experience. I really love to do outdoor type of things. This is me and my friends atop the Matterhorn, not the Matterhorn over in Europe, but the Matterhorn in Oregon in the Wallowa Mountains. Just a wonderful time. Fishing, camping, hiking, also like reading, just started running recently, playing board games. Here's a picture of that. So we do a lot of that, especially as a family on family night or on Sundays even. So at any rate, that's a little bit about me. I very much look forward to learning about you, learning more about you in the discussion board here in week 1. Just looking forward to a really excellent semester. Thanks.